Hi guys. So it's a fresh start. Welcome to the new semester. So I will be teaching you machine tools and digital manufacturing, and mainly it deals with the different types of machine tools. So I'll just give an introduction class today. So I will close this camera and I will go to the document right now. See, our subject name is machine tools and digital manufacturing. We will start from module 1, and first of all we'll just discuss the name of that subject, that is machine tools and digital manufacturing. Basically, one totally we have six modules, and 1 to 5 modules 1 to 5 deals with machine tools, and the sixth module is dealing with the digital manufacturing. Of course, you have to know the course code, that is ME303. And now starting from, what is a machine tool? See, you can see a hand drill here, right? It is a common tool that we are using for drilling holes. So is this a machine tool? Yes, it is a machine tool. And how can we call it as a machine tool? See, consider this is a drill bit. Basically it is a multi-pointed drilling bit, and this is the tool for which is used for punching holes in a surface, actually drilling holes in a surface, and it is connected to this is the drill bit, and this is the chuck. Okay, chuck, chuck. Okay, so basically this is the drill bit and this is the chuck. These two elements together form a mechanical element. Okay, this is a mechanical element, and from here you can see a machine. It consists of an electric motor inside, which gives the rotation to the chuck, and this tool is connected to the chuck. This is a normal hand operated hand drill. Okay, so the mechanical machine tool, a machine tool basically have two components. This component, this together is called as mechanical, and this component is mainly electrical. Okay, so these are the two main components of a machine tool. Let's see the commonly used lathe, milling machine, shaper machine. We are all studying details about all these machines in the upcoming modules, in module 2, 3, etc. First, basically you have to know what is a machine tool. Okay, now see, this is an electric handle, and handle, just read it for yourself, for you. An electric handle is a combination of electrical system and mechanical system, in which the electric motor is an electric system which runs the chuck and drill tools together, forming a mechanical system. So this is a machine tool. Okay, now you understand the concept of a machine tool. So what's next? See, first thing that you have to know is the metal cutting process. See, for during the fourth semester you have learned about the foundry. Okay, you have learned about foundry and sand casting, etc. So there we just make a mold and add the materials or molten metal into it. So we are adding metal, or we are just adding the molten metal to form a required part. Here what you want to do is just removing or subtracting some metal from a desired part, from a metal to produce the desired part. See, using that same handle that you have just saw here, we are, this is the tool, and we are removing a small amount of metal from that surface. So you can see the drill bit is drilling holes. See, this is the drill bit, this is the drill bit, and this is the holes, you know. So this is the drill bit and this is the holes. So this is actually doing a subtraction or removing operation. So metal is removed from the surface to form a desired part. Okay. The next, just you see the some metal is removing and there is a small parts removed from that. See, that parts is called as metal chips. So the material removed from the parent part, the material removed from the parent part is known as metal chips. Okay. So in machine tools and digital manufacturing, we are we are using a concept of material removal process. It is also called as metal removal process. So we are removing a particular amount of metal from a part. We are removing a different a particular amount of metal so that we will have the desired part. So this is the basic concept of machine tools and digital manufacturing. See, we have a very well installed lab. Once the COVID is over, we can go and do all the practicals, or else we will find another way how we can accommodate students without group entry. We will do it like after the September Onam holidays. So consider this is a first class and the basic class to the machine tools and digital manufacturing. Here what I say, and I will put these 2 pages in your WhatsApp group. Go through it. Actually this is very initial or preliminary stage. We will move on to the details from next class. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.